Don't ever copy a content creator. Don't be like them. If you are creating a new YouTube channel, you need to understand what your brand represents. You need to understand what your voice represents. And then you need to build your ideas around your niche. So a lot of creators make mistake by going ahead to copy MrBeast. They go ahead and copy other big content creators or other big YouTubers because they feel that they already had a loyal subscribers and loyal audience, so they just want to be like them. So what they do is to copy their style and their ideas. Now, this is the disadvantage of you doing that. Take for instance, a big YouTuber like MrBeast already have a loyal audience and people already knows MrBeast. So when you go ahead and take MrBeast video to post on your channel, or you are trying to copy MrBeast just because you feel that he has owned a loyal audience, nobody knows you yet. You are just beginning your channel. MrBeast is known. Before MrBeast actually had this loyal audience and millions of subscribers, he started from scratch. He started from 0 subscribers. He started building his own voice. He started building his own niche around what he loves doing. He was passionate about it, and then he started from 0. Of course, you never know about MrBeast until you started hearing about MrBeast. Why was it like that? That was because he took his time to build his loyal audience with what he loves to do, and then he built his niche around that ideas of his. So the question is, if you begin to copy MrBeast, he has already had millions of subscribers. Who is going to watch whatever you are doing when they can only tune to MrBeast and watch his own videos on his own channel? Now, that is why it is important for you to understand what you can do. What is it that you love? There are a lot of niche specific topics that you can just play around with. Do you love traveling? Do you love food? Do you love teaching? Do you love storytelling? What is it that you are very passionate about that you will love to just do for people to watch? And now, mind you, when you are trying to get a niche or try to create a YouTube channel, don't just create the YouTube channel because you want to get it monetized and start earning. Create your YouTube channel because you are passionate about what you are doing. You see, MrBeast is passionate to what he's doing, and that is why he never runs out of ideas, because he is his own brand. So he never runs out of ideas. But when you copy MrBeast today, you'll be wanting MrBeast to drop a video before you get ideas from them and create yours. So your ideas will be limited. But when you have a voice, you have a niche, you have something that you love doing, play around it and keep doing that thing. That is the only way you can have multiple and a whole lot of ideas, and then you are going to be creating your videos now back to back, and then people will watch what you do. People will not love what you do. Mind you, on YouTube, there are a lot of people that are searching for topics. Now, if you want to know what people are looking for, you can actually go and search what people love to do, and you get your ideas around that, and then you begin to shoot these videos, shoot this content, bring them to life, and people will come to you, they'll watch your video and they will love it. So there are a whole lot of ideas that you can bring up aside copying other big YouTubers. So take your time, have your ideas, bring them to the table, create your ideas around it, have your topic, have your purpose, create these topics, bring them to life, and shoot them and edit them. People will watch your content, and people will fall in love with the content, and you are going to build a loyal subscribers. So please, whenever you are creating a new YouTube channel, what is it that you love? What is the topic that you love? What is it that you love doing? Are you passionate about it, or you are just doing it because you just want to get money? If you are thinking about just creating a channel just for it to get monetized and begin to earn money, now if you get monetized, how do you continue to create content that you begin to make money from this content or these videos? So it is very, very important for you to be passionate about an idea, about your topic, and then you go ahead and play around it, and you see yourself having thousands of ideas, having hundreds of ideas, and then you will not be short of content, you will not be short of ideas, because already it's what you love doing, and you will never be lacking ideas or what to do. So that is the only thing I want to tell you. If you are a small YouTube or if you are a small YouTuber or you are having a small YouTube channel. Now, this is benefit. This video helped you. You can kindly click and subscribe. Also share. Don't be stingy with your like. Don't be stingy if you've learned something from me today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.